Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the SCU Credit Union online app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The SCU Credit Union app is a digital banking platform designed to help members manage their finances securely and conveniently. It provides access to essential banking features such as checking balances, viewing transactions, transferring funds, paying bills, and depositing checks through mobile deposit. The app is available on both iOS and Android, giving members the ability to bank anytime, anywhere. The app's main features include secure login options, quick balance access, detailed transaction history, fund transfers between accounts, bill pay, and mobile check deposit. It also offers card controls, customizable account alerts, and secure messaging with member support. These tools help users manage everyday banking needs with greater efficiency and transparency. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, reliable performance, and easy navigation. The mobile check deposit feature is often highlighted for its convenience, and the app security features, including multi-factor authentication, provide added peace of mind. Users also value the quick access to transaction details and the ability to manage cards directly within the app. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional login issues or slow loading times during peak hours. Mobile deposit limits may vary, which could be inconvenient for certain users. Additionally, while the app covers essential banking features, it may lack some of the advanced tools offered by larger financial institutions. In summary, the SCU Credit Union online app may be worth using if you want a reliable, secure, and easy-to-use mobile banking experience that helps you manage accounts, pay bills, and deposit checks conveniently. However, if you need more advanced financial tools or experience frequent connectivity issues, it may not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.